Good morning, children. This is Sushma. Children, today I am going to take class for first the school social class, the school. Children, before COVID-19 situation, you all were coming to school and study, no, isn't it? Yes. But because of this COVID-19 situation, you are studying online classes. Yes or no? Yes. See, in this lesson, we are going to learn about school, next types of school, different areas of school, people who work in the school, people who work in the school. In this lesson, we are going to learn about school, types of school, different areas of school, then people who work in the school. Okay, children? Most of the children, all the children going to school. School is a temple of knowledge, temple of learning, isn't it? And in school we learn many things, like children learn rhymes, songs, and they play games, and they begin to learn the world around them, isn't it? We also celebrate different functions at our school, isn't it? Like school day are graduation day functions and Republic Day, Independence Day, like that. Okay. We also celebrate functions at our school. First one, school is a temple of knowledge. School is a temple of knowledge, or school is a temple of learning, isn't it? Next point, types of school. What are the types of school? Let us learn. There are three types of school. What are the school types? First one, kindergarten. First one, kindergarten. Second one, primary school. Third one, secondary school. Okay. There are three types of schools: kindergarten, primary school, secondary school. First, kindergarten. Now let us have look at each one of them in detail. Okay. First one, kindergarten. When children are very young, they go to kindergarten, play school, like kindergarten. Okay. When children are very young age, they go to play school, preschool, like kindergarten. These are the things of kindergarten. These schools known as kindergarten. Children under the age of 5 go to these school. Age of 5 go to this school. This school means kindergarten. Okay. When children are very young age, they are going to go to play school. These schools as known as kindergarten. Children under the age of 5 go to the school. Next, primary school. Primary school. Children above 5 years go to primary school. Children above 5 years. Here, kindergarten before 5 years. Okay. Primary school. Children above 5 years go to primary school. Here they learn to write and read. They also learn more about the world. They also learn more about the world. Understood? Next, secondary school. Secondary school. When children are little older, they go to higher classes in secondary school. When children are little older, they go to higher classes in secondary school. Isn't it? First one, kindergarten. Kindergarten, when children are very young, they go to play schools or preschools. These schools known as kindergarten. Okay. Next, primary school. Primary school. Children above 5 years go to primary school. They learn to write and read, and also they learn more about our world. Okay. Next one, third one, secondary schools. When children are little older, they go to higher classes in secondary school. Isn't it, children? Is it clear? These are the types of schools. There are 3 types: kindergarten, primary school and secondary school. Okay. We will go next point. Next point, different areas of a school. Different areas of school. Our school is big school. Isn't it? Our school is big school. It has classes nursery to 10th standard. Yes, no? It has classes nursery to 10th standard. Okay. A school has a big building. It has following rooms. Our school building has big building, isn't it? 2 buildings are there now. Okay. Next, building. It has following rooms. Which are the rooms? First one, classroom. Classroom. Okay. Where children study, that place we call classroom. Where children study, that area we call classroom. Isn't it? Next, second room, library. Library. Our school also has library, no? Yes. From where children can borrow the books, that area called library. From where children can borrow the books, that area called library. Did you understand, children? Next room is staff room. Staff room. Okay. Where teachers sit and discuss that classes. So that area called staff room. Where teachers sit and discuss, that area called staff room. Isn't it? Next room, office. office room. Where clerical work is done, that area is called office. Okay. Next important, principal room. Principal room. Where the principal sits, that area called, that room called principal room. Where principal sits, that area, that room called principal room. Next, last one, playground. This is not a room but area. This is the area. Different area of our school, no? These are the areas. Classroom also one area, staff room also one area, and principal room, library, office also one area. That like. Next, last one, playground. Okay, playground. Where the children play, that area we call playground. Where the children play, that area we call playground. Isn't it, children? These are the different areas of school. Okay, which one? First one, classroom, office room, staff room, library, and then principal room. After that, playground. These are the areas of a school. Okay, these are the different areas of a school. Next, let us know about people who work in the school. People who work in the school. Work in the school. Okay. In school, there are many people who help us. There are many staff members in this school, isn't it? Staff members do difficult duties in this school. Staff members do different duties in this school. They do many things for us and all are important to us, isn't it? All are important to us. We should help us, all are helpers. We should help us, all are helpers. Now let us have a look at our helpers in their school in detail. Okay. Next, first one, principal. 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 Principal is head of the school. He runs the school. Principal is a head of the school. Principal is head of the school. He or she runs the school. Isn't it? Principal is head of the school. He runs the school. Okay. Next people, teacher. Teacher. Okay. Teacher teaches and help us to learn. Teachers and help us to learn. Next, librarian. Okay, next one, librarian. Librarian. Librarian takes care of the library. Librarian takes care of the library. Children can borrow books from library. Children can borrow books from library. Next, office clerk. Office clerk. Office clerk collects fees of students from their parents. Office clerks collects fees of students from their parents. Okay, next peon. 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 Peon rings the school bell and they also carries official messages. Isn't it? Peon rings the school bell and they also carry official messages. Then next people, sweeper. Sweeper. Sweeper cleans the school. They looks after the classroom. Sweepers cleans the school. They look after the classrooms also. Okay. Next, gardener. 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 Gardener looks after the garden. They grow the plants and cut the extra grass. Okay. Gardener looks after the garden. They grow the plants and cut the extra grass. Next people, watchman. 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 Watchman guards the school. Watchman guards the school. These are the character of people who work in the school. First one, principal, teacher, librarian, office clerk, peon, gardener, sweeper and watchman. Did you understand, children? Okay. Next we will go these are the points of the school. Okay. Let us once again summarize the lesson. There are 3 types of school. First one, kindergarten. Second one, primary school. And third one, secondary school. Isn't it? Next, we learn difficult things in a school. We learn different things in a school. We learn different things in a school. For example, rhymes and lessons, moral values and physical education, that and that. Okay. Next, there are many people who help us in the school. Who is that persons? Watchman, sweeper, librarian, peon, teacher, principal and watchman also. Okay. These are the points of the school lesson. Did you understand, children? I hope all of you understood. Next class I will continue with notes explanation. Okay, children? Thank you.